Go ahead, guys. Damn, son, I'm so ready to go to the club tonight.
Woo! Disco fever, baby!
Yeah, this is just me stretching out.
I don't know about you, but I've got some new moves.
I didn't know I could bend this far.
There's this hot, sexy
I'm
man
really starting to feel it.
named Michael Jackson who's new to the scene.
Oh, yeah?
I've stolen his skills.
Did you? What kind of skills did he have?
They call it the moonwalk.
Oh, man, that is blowing my mind right now, man.
I bet you have nothing comparable to me.
Well, I did learn this one move. It's called the... It's called the nut grabber, and it's getting very popular in the States lately. Actually, I think it came down from Europe, and I'm just going to hold it for a bit. Oh, now I'm going to walk with it now, too.
Oh, you gotta thrust deeper than that, man. You're never going to get any love.
Yeah.
Unless you get your thrust
there it is.
Down.
Like this, maybe?
Really deep. Yes.
Oh, I'm feeling it.
Now grab your ass and clap your elbows.
Alright, but first...
Your ass, not my ass.
No, I think it makes more sense for me to grab yours. Whoa.
How dare you? Slap.
You know, you're rubbing me a bit more than I'm rubbing you there, friend.
This is punishment rubs that I'm giving.
No! Daddy, no!
Don't call me daddy, it creeps me out.
No, that's how we talk in the 80s. We call each other daddy.
Oh God, I'm so drunk I thought it was the 70s still.
You know, you have beautiful eyes.
You have a beautiful lip. Just one though.
Let's not kiss.
Nope.
Let's not kiss. Wait.
I deny you.
The thought of kissing me makes you look away. Oh. I'm gonna deny you that fact.
Oh no! It seems we both don't want to kiss. Why are we so close?
I don't know.
The 80s are a time of sexual ambiguity.
Hey, that's my hat.
I like it. I like your head this way.
Okay.
I don't want to kiss you, but I'm strangely aroused by your head without a hat.
Are we ever gonna go to that club?
I think we have all the loving we need right here.